Kimi K2.5 is blowing up. What better way to use it than inside Claude Code? And now it's easier than ever. You'll also see it being used inside of Codex and OpenCode. And it all starts with our old friend Olllama. Now, if you don't know what Olllama is, it's a way of downloading local models to your machine. But what I really like about Olllama is that they have this cloud feature which enables you to use services that you wouldn't typically be able to run on your machine using their cloud infrastructure. Now, it's still obviously going off to a third-party server, so you're not getting complete and utter privacy. So it's worth reading about the model here and the terms and conditions. But essentially, you're being forwarded through to Kimi K2 servers. Just worth bearing in mind. So once you've downloaded the app, you should get access to the CLI. This is Warp here. You can run Olllama, run Kimi K2 : cloud. Because I've already got it downloaded, I can start to type, tell me a joke. And this is Kimi K2 running in the cloud, as private as you can get, really. If you were looking at downloading it completely, then you want to check out LM Studio. And if you search Kimi K2.5 here, if you're on Mac, deselect the GGUF function, you'll get the Mac specific version, but it needs 657 gigs of VM storage, which I don't have. For my belief is if you running PC, you can use the GGUF version, which is still 239 gig. Well, not a lot of us have, but if you do, then you're going to want to go down the LM Studio route and follow this instruction here, which I take you through, linking up LM Studio with Claude Code using Claude Code router. Back to Olllama here. We've got it running. We confirmed everything's good. There's a few things we want to make sure of. If in Olllama you go through to settings here, you're going to want to make sure that, especially in the case of Anthropic and Claude Code, that the context length is at least 64,000 tokens. I'm going to whack that up just as a default thing, because a lot of things I do, I need a big context length. But you can also do it with the Olllama context length 64,000 or 256 or whatever, setting that environment variable before the command. But using the new Olllama Claude Code setup, we can now run Olllama launch Claude, and this is Olllama wrapping Claude Code. And we even get, I mean, this is something I have set up in my status line here, but we even get indication that we're using Kimi K2 inside of Claude Code. And I can say, tell me about this code base, and I can let that do its thing. Now, but also there's an environment variable you can set. So if we cancel this and type context length 64,000 with Olllama launch Claude Code or 256 there, hit that, it's going to launch with that increased context window. And once again, we're inside of Claude Code using Kimi K2.5. But realistically, you don't want to be doing that every time. So again, I just recommend setting it in the settings of Olllama, so you can just forget about it then. If you want the shortcut, you can run Olllama launch Claude with model -Kimi K2. And these shortcuts even work with Codex if you've got that downloaded, which looks like we need to update it here. Which you can see Codex plays a lot nicer. Seeing that I've got LM Studio, it allows us to select that provider, but we've got Olllama here. And you can see that we're running the Kimi K2.5 model. And similarly, OpenCode will run with Kimi K2.5 using Olllama as its wrapper. I just had to restart there, but you can see we've got Kimi K2.5 Cloud Olllama in the UI here. So as you can see, this is super simple, all thanks to Olllama's new feature here. And although not 100% local or 100% private, it at least gives you an idea of the performance or the abilities of Kimi K2.5 inside of something like Claude Code. If you have 600 gig of space or 256 gig of space, then kudos to you. By all means, run this locally. As with all of my local coding setup videos, you're not going to get fantastic performance. It's pretty incomparable when you've got the remote models, but it's all just good fun at the end of the day. So with that, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you to my Patreons for supporting me directly. I am available for hire, so you can contact me on samuelgregory.co.uk. Until next time, keep on vibing.